Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, so you sent us some really interesting stuff on a cannabis strain called Baglung Nepalese.
Yeah, fascinating source material. We're going to pull out the key bits for you.
Get you up to speed on what makes this one stand out.
Exactly. So Baglung Nepalese, first off, it's a Sativa Landrace.
Meaning it's native, grew wild.
Right. From the Baglung region in Nepal, we're talking the Himalayas, about 1,000 to 2,000 meters up.
Wow, okay, so definitely not something cooked up in a lab recently.
Not at all. Think wild, natural evolution, shaped by that high altitude, the monsoons, the cool nights on those, terraced slopes.
And people there traditionally used it for charas, hand-rolled hash.
That's right. It developed this natural resilience, this toughness.
So it's been around. This isn't a new crossbreed.
Nope. Generations of open pollination, natural selection. Blue hemp apparently found it in the early 2000s.
And then others brought it to Europe, like bald monkey, magic herbs.
Yeah, they cultivated it, even successfully for like 5 generations, pretty far north, around 48.5 degrees latitude.
That adaptability, that's pretty key, right?
It really is. Shows how robust the genetics are.
So what does it look like? Tall.
Very tall and slender, yeah. Outdoors, planted early, it could reach up to 4 meters, usually grows with one main central cola.
And the buds themselves?
They're described as kind of loose, often finger-like.
Ah, so that helps with airflow, less chance of mold.
Exactly. Especially important given its origins in a potentially humid monsoon environment.
And visually, it can look quite striking, I read. Greens, purples.
Yeah, and sometimes these really vibrant pink or even red pistils, definitely eye-catching.
Okay, let's talk growing. When does it flower?
It starts fairly early for a sativa, mid-August to early September usually.
And harvest, how long does it take?
Pretty quick, around 60 to 70 days. So you're looking at mid-September to early October for harvest.
Which is great news if you're growing outdoors, say in Germany or similar climates.
Absolutely. It generally finishes before the first damaging frosts hit. That early harvest is a big advantage.
Makes it quite unique for outdoor growing in those zones.
Definitely. So the smell, the aroma.
Complex, seems like. Earthy, like damp soil. Spicy, peppery note.
Sometimes smoky too. And woody, like cedar. Maybe a hint of sweetness underneath.
And how does that translate to the effects in places where it's legal?
Well, reports suggest it's long-lasting and activating. A clear head high.
Good for focus. Creativity.
Yeah, that's the idea. Mood-enhancing, light, stimulating. Pretty classic daytime sativa profile.
So good for getting things done, maybe, without feeling too, heavy.
That seems to be the consensus. Now, for breeders or seed savers,
Right. It's stable, open-pollinated.
which is fantastic. It means the seeds tend to breed true, producing similar plants. And it's great genetic stock if you want to breed its traits into other lines.
And you can get regular seeds, sometimes with older lineage seeds included.
Yeah, Magic Herbs offers something like that. It's like holding onto a piece of living cannabis history. Really robust, great for outdoors.
Okay, so wrapping up. A tough Himalayan landrace, looks unique, grows well outdoors in many places, finishes early.
Complex aroma
Yeah,
and that clear activating sativa effect. It really shows how environment shapes a plant.
definitely. A cool piece of botanical history. Makes you think what else is out there, shaped by its own unique corner of the world.
Absolutely, food for thought.
Thanks for diving in with us.